Hey, g'day. So received a little request to do a video on the old Courier and what mods I've put on it. Yeah, so I'll give you a little description of the mod and a little description of how I did it, and if I can remember the brands or anything, I'll tell you that too. Alright, starting with the pipe swap, which you've probably seen the video for. I'll link the video down below, but he's a Kiwi fella, he does it. So basically, you're swapping the piping from the turbo to take the boost straight out of the fuel injector. So basically, instead of letting all the intercooler build up boost, and then it tells how much fuel to add, the turbo is doing that directly. So it just makes it a little bit more punchy. You've seen the blow off valve video, I'll link that down below too. Got a 3-inch stainless steel exhaust from PPD with a little probe on there for my EGT gauge. I put a pod filter in here, so instead of using the standard filter, it's got a pod filter, so it's just giving a little bit more air. It's not as good for the engine, it sucks in more shit. Catch can, so the valve cover outlet, instead of going straight into the air intake, it goes into the catch can and then up into the air intake. Some people just run it down to the chassis after that. That's up to you. This piece of charge piping is off a PK Ranger or PG Ranger. As long as it's a 2.5 litre WLT engine, it's a direct bolt on. What else have we got here? Engine wise, I'm running about 22 pounds of boost. Here's my boost tee. Yeah, set to about 22 pounds. On the fuel injector, I've given the screw a quarter of a turn. What else have we got? This is a fuse running into the dual batteries in the back, which I'll go to later. We've got steady LED lights. Turn those on quickly. Then we've got the steady spotties. These are just the cheap ones, but they're still pretty decent. Not bad at all. What else have we done? Bunch of wiring stuff. Bunch of relays in there. One goes to the spotties. One goes to under here. Up here. Oh jeez, hang on me for a sec. Yeah, so up there, I've got a Dukes of Hazzard horn, which is just for a bit of fun. There's the undercarriage. It's, done all the CVs and all that. They're all pretty new. Got 31-inch all-terrains, the Firestone AT ones. They're decent. I wouldn't go much bigger than that. These rub if you're going on anything too hilly, too many dips and stuff. I'll link the side steps and the brush bar. It's about 600 bucks. I can't remember the company that does it, but they're decent. Yeah, so in here, it's a reverse camera. I've wired a glow plug just because I got my automatic glow plug, but then that'll also give me like a manual glow plug. This here is a jumper, so this allows the back batteries to power the front batteries if your front battery runs out. Dukes of Hazzard horn, and that's for the blow off valve, which I showed earlier. My gauges, I've just got EGT gauge and boost. I never really get above 600 EGTs, 500, 600, yeah, you really got to watch those. What else? This is the switch for my spotlights out, so when the steady spotlights on the front. This here, you know, UHF radio. Then a brake booster, recent Lemon brake booster. That's everything there. And if you come around the back, ignore all my fucking shit. I've got two 100 amp hour batteries, and they're both running off the alternator and the solar. I've got a 1500 watt inverter, so I can, you know, that'll run a grinder and shit, runs my welder, so I can be pretty mobile with stuff. This is all my wiring. This is a Anderson going up to the solar panel on the roof, just a cigarette plug. Then on the roof, we got the solar panel. And then on each side I've got a set of these, which are just like for camping and stuff. You can turn them on. And yeah, voila. Yeah, if you got any more questions or anything, let me know. I'll try to link all the stuff that I've got. But yeah, that's me ute.